Good morning and welcome to the start of my day. I've been starting my day off each day lately with a full one of my coffee maker. This is, I actually don't know how many mils this is, but it's from IKEA. I broke my little one. I talked about that on Instagram in one of my other videos ages ago, but I broke the little one and my friend gave me the big one, and I've actually been making a full one because it means that I can just keep coming back and topping up my coffee throughout the day and then heating it up. It is decaf as well, so I don't have to worry about drinking too much caffeine. And then I also have this adorable little mug. This is the newest one to my collection. I picked this up from Loblaws the other day, which is like a supermarket here. If you're in Australia, it's like Woolworths and Coles, and I love it. I think it's my favorite one. It's also microwavable, which means I can refill with the coffee and then heat it up. So I'm gonna leave this here for a few minutes so that it can brew and do its thing, and then I can have my morning coffee. The morning is when I take my vitamins and supplements, and today's video is sponsored by Ritual. These are the Ritual Essential for Women multivitamins. You take 2 once per day, either in the morning or the evening, and you can take them with or without food. I just like to do mine in the morning because I feel like it's a good part of my morning routine. Ritual capsules can help fill in the gaps in your diet. They contain 9 high-quality nutrients that are sometimes difficult to get enough of every day, even with a healthy diet. They also have a delayed-release capsule design that is very gentle on the stomach, which makes it great in the mornings. They are vegan-friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and contain no added sugar. And Ritual really likes to focus on being transparent with everything that they do, from the nutrients and the way that they're sourced to the materials and the way that they package and ship all of their products as well. They also offer a men's multivitamin, a 50+, a prenatal, postnatal, and teen vitamins. They also have a deliver to your door subscription, and it's only $1 per day, and they've just launched a new essential protein range as well. These are daily shakes that are designed to help support maintenance of lean muscle mass and to promote healthy active aging. Ritual is now offering you all 10% off your first 3 months. To fill in the gaps of your diet with Essential for Women, you can click the link in the description and use my code to get 10% off your first 3 months. My living room gets all of the morning sun and I absolutely love it. Usually I sit on this corner here and, you know, pop my coffee down here and sit here, but it's so sunny this morning that I actually think I just want to sit on my ottoman. And I've also been painting out here. I know it feels like a dangerous task with the fact that everything in here is so light and neutral, but it's very relaxing just sitting on the floor and painting a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit down here, chill out for a little bit. And as you can see, I've just got a few things lying around that I do need to just tidy up. So today I am gonna do a bit of a clean around here as well, but I just need a minute this morning to drink my coffee and chill out and kind of wake up a little. I just poured my second coffee, but I'm also gonna make some breakfast while I'm at it. Breakfast is served. I have my coffee and I have a bagel with some cream cheese, half an avocado, and then I've put salt, pepper, chili flakes, and hemp seeds on top as well. I am ready for the day. I do just need to pick an outfit because I don't know why I'm wearing all gray, but I'm wearing all gray like loungewear. But I do need to pick an outfit for the day. I'm going to quickly make my bed, and then today my friend Liz and I are actually going out to some vintage furniture stores. So I'll take you guys with me, and then when I come home this afternoon, I'm going to get in and do a whole bunch of cleaning and just organization stuff. So yeah, let's go pick something to wear. It's actually gonna be a really warm day out there, so it should be nice.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you.
I did have to change my outfit a little bit because I do need to do some clothes washing today. So I just chucked on this old t-shirt. I have these black exercise shorts, some white sneakers, and then I also have my black backpack that I got from Zara. I just thought this would be a comfortable, easy outfit, especially because it's gonna be quite warm out there today, to just, you know, wander around and have a look at furniture. So let's go.
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
I'm back. We went to 3 different home decor stores and a little kitchen shop. The first place was all vintage stuff, which was really cool, and I did pick up a bunch of dried flowers slash, you know, pampas grass from this brand called Euclid Farms. I believe that's how you may say that. I could be very, very wrong in that, but it's super cute. It's got some yellow in there, which I really, really like. And then from the kitchen store, I picked up a packet of mood milk matcha for making lattes. So I thought that would be cool. I feel like I might want to try and put these into one of my vases now. I've got one in mind. I'll go get it. The one that I'm thinking of is this white one that I thrifted. I think this is still such a great thrift find. It's great on its own, but I do want to DIY it. And then this hideous blue one that you see is actually from IKEA. And I got this because I thought this one would be really cool to DIY with that, you know, textured thing and make it like a terracotta or a cream or something. But this one I wanted to redo just to make it a little bit nicer because it's got some marks and things on it. But I thought this was an amazing find at the thrift store, so let's go and put the dried flowers in here.
You have to be your biggest fan.
The flowers are tied in the middle, and I've left them tied only because I don't really know what I want to do with the final lot of flowers. I think they might need to be cut just a little bit, but as I said, I don't really know where I want these to go or what I even want them to be in. But I love the yellow. There's even some little bunny tails in there, and I think it's really, really pretty. I love this vase so much. I feel like I got really lucky in getting that. I also found the receipt from when I went thrifting, and then I'm actually going to keep this little cone of cardboard, paper, whatever it is, so that I can use it for possible future flat lays or styling of like flowers and things. But I love it. I don't know where to put it because I don't really have anywhere to put it. For now, I've decided to just put it on the floor next to my mirror, and I'll figure something out later, but cute. I like it. There's now lots of little bits of fluff all over the floor, and I need to get in and start cleaning. So I have one of these little robot vacuums, so I'm gonna pop him on so he can go and do all of the vacuuming for me. I'm gonna get in and do a little bit of a clean with me. I need to clean the kitchen. My robot vacuum is on his way into the kitchen, actually. He's out there doing his thing. I've called him Gerald. I thought it was a really cute name for a vacuum, but I don't feel so alone. I feel like I have a partner to be able to help me clean. Anyway, I need to get in and do some of this kitchen because it's just a little bit messy. About a week and a half ago, I picked up one of the blue recycling tubs from Home Depot to put under the sink, and it just is such an easy thing. I can put all my recycling in it and carry it straight to the garbage chute. It's just, oh, I don't know why I haven't done something like this sooner. My office is looking a little messy. I think it's time to get in here and clean this up a little bit. I have the box from the ottoman in here because I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it or not, but I think I'll probably get rid of it. I'm gonna move that box out into the hallway, but I just had to put some stuff away, and that way then Gerald can come in here and actually clean up. I almost forgot, but I really want to put on a load of washing. In fact, I really need to. This is the bag that I picked up from H&M the other day, and I did say that I didn't really like the logo on it, so I've just faced that against the wall, but I quite like it in here, and it does make it easy to carry. Not that I really have to carry it that far because the washing machine is literally on the other side of this wall, but I really like it so far. It's making it very easy to keep this bathroom nice and clean. Well, this is kind of exciting. I just got a package. It's my console table. It arrived so much faster than I expected. I think I purchased this like 3 days ago and it's here. I didn't think it was going to be here until next week. So let's unbox it and see what it's like. Okay, oh my gosh, I love it. I think it's perfect for this space. The fact that, you know, it's clear, so it keeps the space feeling open, but it's gonna give me some storage options, which I really like. I think I'm gonna get like a basket or even an ottoman or something to sit under it, which I think would be really cool. Maybe I could sit it in front of the PowerPoint so you can't see it, but I'm really excited. I think I might maybe get a lamp, definitely some artwork on the wall. But yeah, I really like it, and it's a good size for this space as well. All the other ones that I were looking at were like another 10 centimeters, which would have come out to about here, and I think that that would just have been too big for this space, especially with the drawers there on the end of the bench. But yeah, I'm really excited. Now I get to style it. Oh, you know what I can do? I can put that vase up here. I love it. This is now the fun part where I get to style my home. Although, I don't know if it's a bit weird having like these flowers here and then having them there. I feel like maybe it needs to go on this side, but then it covers the thing. But then that's maybe a good thing because it's kind of just like an ugly unit on the wall, and at least that way it covers it and makes it look really cute. But I love it. I'm so excited. I also picked this book up from Amazon. It's just like a little book of Chanel. I've got a couple more books coming. I think they're actually supposed to come today, and I thought I could do like a nice little stack of books up here. And I want a bowl, like a little bowl of some sorts to be able to put keys and things in, but it's so cute. Actually, before I start putting too much stuff on there, it needs to be cleaned. Like it's attracting a lot of dust and fluff, and like attracting the what do you call it, the styrofoam that it came wrapped in. So let's give it a clean. I think it yeah, it doesn't have like a film or anything on it that I need to peel off. So let's give it a clean and then I can put some stuff on it. Okay, I love it. Poor Gerald now has to clean the floor again, but I love it. I think it's great. I did bring my lamp from in the office out here, which I kind of like. I just wanted to see what it looks like with a lamp, and then I could probably put some artwork up there. I really like it so far. I think it's really cool. I was just thinking though that, like, as I was saying, it's too much with these flowers just here on the bench. So I was thinking that maybe as I have fresh flowers, I could just, you know, put them up here. And then that way I have fresh flowers, which I think is amazing. I think that looks great as well. I love it. I'm very, very happy with how this is cut together. I can't wait to start getting a bit more decor in here and start styling things, but I think it's really, really pretty. I just got another delivery. I think this is my lamp for my desk, so I'm very excited about that. I've been meaning to sort of style up and organize my desk space a little bit more, but yeah, let's open it and see what it is. Okay, it is my lamp. I'm very happy about this. You can see how cute it is. So let's open it and put it together marker. Oh, this is gonna make me feel so much more inspired to like get little organizational desk tools. So here's my lamp. I think it looks great. It's very large, but I actually really don't mind it. I love the gold. I think it's such a pretty gold. I'm gonna have to figure out some kind of cord situation because I think the closest power point is this one here, and so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I could always tape something across the back of the desk here so that I could run things across and then maybe just across that little bit of the floor there, I'm not sure. But I also may have made a bit of a mess of my desk already because I did start doing some work. I took a little break from filming and I started writing a to-do list and just getting in and doing some admin work, so I got a bit distracted. But I really do like this lamp. I think it's really pretty. I just need to go and pick a globe up for it, which I might do maybe tomorrow or something, but yeah, I like it. It looks good. Gerald has so much stuff to clean up now, but also please tell me I'm not the only one that heats up their coffee like 100 times a day. I mean, I feel like it still tastes good, but I've let it get cold again, so it's time to heat it up. While my coffee's heating up, I thought I would mention this section of my kitchen. I hate it. I mean, I love the fact that there are these 3 gorgeous shelves here that I can style, but in terms of styling, I hate it. I've got just some candles, paper towel, some decor up on the top shelf. I have 3 packets of sort of spices. I've got chili flakes, cumin, and paprika. I can't close the packet of the paprika because I think there's just too much like dusty bits in there, so it won't close. I need to get some sort of spice containers, organizational things, and like make this cute. Maybe a hanging plant up here would be really cute so that it like can hang down like a string of bananas or pearls or something. That might be really cool, but this is definitely something I want to start working on soon. I'm really loving this section. I did bring over one of these H&M candles from the kitchen shelves that I was just showing you. I'm not sure if it goes very well or if it should be anywhere on here, but I really like this so far. I think this is a cool vibe. It's definitely what I was going for. I can't wait for the rest of the books to arrive. I think they may even be arriving this afternoon. And right now I'm gonna drink my coffee and actually have a little bit of a look for some kind of artwork to go on the wall here. I've got Gerald down there doing some work. He's over there doing the rounds, cleaning up everything. I've got the dryer on, so it's a little bit noisy in here, but I just got another 2 packages. I think this one's a book and this one might be some nail stuff. Turns out they're both books. I got 2 Paris books. I got this beautiful like black covered one that I think the cover is basically all I really wanted. They're coffee table books. Someone asked me the other week about what's the purpose of a coffee table book, and it's more of just like an artistic book. Like I think, as you can see, this book is literally just filled with pictures. And then, you know, this one's possibly the same. Oh, this one's got a bit of text in it. But the point of coffee table books is just that they look nice and then they kind of act as a piece of decor around your home. I stacked all 3 here. I probably won't keep these 3 here. I think I've got another book coming and I'd like to add different colored books as well, but I just started with some neutrals and I think it looks kind of cool, but I definitely think I will mix this up and maybe place them somewhere else. But you know what? I'm liking how this little space is coming together.